Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into the world of text embeddings, specifically, the most efficient way to handle them portably. The article we're discussing champions Parquet files and the Polars library. Exciting stuff, right?
Absolutely. Text embeddings are transforming how we interact with data, especially with the rise of LLMs. But managing them efficiently is key. So what's the core problem this article addresses?
Precisely. The challenge is how to store and access these embeddings efficiently, especially when moving between machines or working with large datasets. Many tutorials suggest vector databases like Facius or Pinecone, but those can be complex and expensive. This article proposes a simpler, more portable solution.
I see. So they're suggesting an alternative to these heavyweight vector databases? What's the proposed alternative?
Yes. They advocate for using Parquet files in conjunction with the Polars library. Parquet offers a typed, columnar format, perfect for storing the numerical embedding data, along with associated metadata. And Polars, being built on Rust, provides blazing fast performance for data manipulation.
That sounds promising. But why not just use something simpler, like a CSV or even a numpy.npy file?
That's where the article really shines. CSVs are inefficient because they store numerical data as text, leading to much larger file sizes and slower processing. While .np files are better, they lack the ability to easily store and manage metadata alongside the embeddings. This is crucial for efficient querying and filtering.
So Parquet solves the metadata problem? How does it handle the metadata alongside the embeddings?
Exactly. Parquet's columnar structure allows you to store the embeddings as one column, and the associated metadata, like card names, types, etc., in the Magic, the Gathering example, in other columns within the same file. This collocation is key for efficient filtering and querying.
And Polars makes accessing and manipulating this data fast, right? What's the advantage of using Polars over, say, Pandas?
Absolutely. Polars, built with Rust, significantly outperforms Pandas, especially when dealing with nested data like the embedding arrays. Pandas struggles with nested data, requiring extra steps and adding overhead. Polars handles it natively, with its _numpy function offering zero-copy conversion in many cases. It's a game changer.
Zero copy? That's impressive. So the whole process becomes much more streamlined. But what about scaling? Does this approach hold up for massive datasets?
That's a great point. The article acknowledges that for truly massive datasets, dedicated vector databases might still be necessary. But for many projects, especially smaller ones, or those in the prototyping phase, Parquet and Polars offer a fantastic balance of efficiency, portability, and ease of use. It's a compelling alternative.
It sounds like a really practical and efficient solution for many use cases. The article even provides a Colab notebook to experiment with, right?
Yes. They've created an interactive Colab notebook demonstrating how to use this approach with the Magic, the Gathering card embeddings. It's a great way to get hands-on experience and see the power of this combination in action. It's a fantastic resource.
This is definitely something I'll be exploring further. Thanks for breaking down this insightful article. It's a refreshing take on a common problem in the field.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Remember to check out the article and the Colab notebook for a deeper dive. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.